Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with Garry from Oakswood Construction and Groundworks. Gary, you are subcontracting on the site here to M&J Evans, who've actually supplied this sitestak system to you as a subcontractor to help with this prestigious project here in Uttoxeter. Lots and lots of houses going up. I know you've given us 5 minutes now. You've been running around today doing so much work. It's really busy now, isn't it? And people want the plots, the houses are sold. It's about, you know, getting everything done fast, isn't it? But getting everything done productive as well. So tell me about using this system, because you know it's been provided to you and it's different, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I was actually after one of these 4 years ago.
Right.
And I've been pushing and pushing, and we finally got one.
Yeah.
Simple reason being, it's neat, it's tidy. I don't like bends or drainage lying around on my site. This is all compact. You got everything to hand. We had lads driving up top of the site, getting like lengths of pipe, trying to drive the dumper as well as trying to hold the pipes. This saves all that, and obviously it's all health and safety at the end of the day as well.
Yep.
So we're very happy to have one of these on site.
We've just witnessed, folks, the way in which you can stack this. We are now super stacked behind us. You're on the pipe work there. And that's been done by a telehandler, and it was all done in a very safe way. It was all wrapped together and then placed inside. The bands were cut, and it's as simple as that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's the same process for the attachments, folks. You'll see behind me, there's all different bays for the attachment. That means, again, with you being, you know, the person that's running the job, you can quickly see everything, can't you?
And I can keep a track of the stock. Once the stock levels go down, I order some more in, get them all stocked back up again, and it's a lot easier for me.
Now we're just here next to the thing that matters to me, guys, from extra health and safety and manpower. It's another hand, really, isn't it? And this is actually the system that helps you cut the pipe work to the right size, and it's been designed in a set way by the team.
Yeah.
I've seen it being done by your actually your son, in fact, and he's doing it very, very quickly now, isn't he?
Yeah, very neat and tidy. The cuts are straight, not like on an angle, like most of them do. Very, very good.
And so for me, it's great to see you being very busy subcontracting to a big contractor here. For you, it's all about making sure that you're doing a great job for them and for the end customers as well. So your final thoughts on getting fully stacked on site here with sitestak?
I recommend this product to anybody. It's a lot quicker, safer. You can move it from one area of the job to another area of the job, easy and safe. And
that is why I come on site, folks, to meet people like yourself that are actually turning around and saying, we want to do things safer, we want to do things quicker, we get the right products, we see them 4 years ago, and you know, get them on site and make a difference. And thanks very much for spending some time with me.
Not a problem. Thank you.